Today, you have chosen Sedona, Arizona, West Fork, one of the coolest, most beautiful hikes Arizona has to offer in my book, at least in the top 5. From the time you leave your house to the time you get back to your house, I want you to have the intent of letting go of something that has been holding you back, something that is keeping you from moving forward and is no longer serving you. The intent of it is to give it to nature. In this journey, you're going to be able to hike this trail. You're going to zigzag across the trail. You're going to go through creeks. Yes, you're going to get your feet wet, possibly. No matter what, you're going to be connected with the trail because the trail is pretty much following the creek. So don't be worried. It is a pretty moderately easy trail. At the end of this trail, though, I have provided a GPS coordinate, which is right here. And that coordinate is the coordinates to a pelican case style box, and inside that box it has a binder of paper. It has a couple pencils, sharpeners just in case the pencils break, and it has a couple little gifts. And I want you to, on the paper, put your name, a little bit about yourself, and what you're letting go. I want you to be able to put it on the paper, because I truly feel that if you put it on paper, you put the words out there, and you leave it in nature, nature will take care of it. So put it on the paper, and please guys, return the box exactly where you found it so that others can come along and have an epic adventure and be able to tell their stories as well. All right guys, we have come to the end of where I'm going to make you go. You don't have to go any further than this unless you really want to. But I want to show you guys where the box is, okay? This is the 6th creek crossing upon the trail. If you get the trail guide from the front person at the front desk, obviously it'll be on the map right here. At this 6th crossing, from that side you're coming in, you're going to look up at this big wall. There's gonna be a little sign right here that says arrow going that way. That's the trail, it goes that way. Okay, at this wall there is a gigantic tree, this big tree right here. It's the only one both ways that is big like this. The box is underneath this tree on the back side between the wall and the tree. Behind the tree, okay, you are going to find a stack of rocks behind the tree, up against it, right there. Underneath these rocks and underneath the dirt a little bit is the container. Okay, that's where you're gonna find it. And please make it look like this when you return it so that others can find it and it doesn't get found by people that aren't on this adventure. So thank you guys. Finally.